What is your role at Engineering New Zealand? I'm the Chief Executive. What was your previous role and where? I was the Chief Executive at Manawatu District Council. When did you start with Engineering New Zealand? I became a member of Engineering New Zealand and its predecessor shortly after I graduated, which would be in the early 90s. What is your engineering envy? It's the Kuka coaster. It's a 500 kilo industrial robot with 2 roller coaster seats attached to the end of it. That gives you a hell of a scary ride. Sausage sizzle or pawa fritter? Pawa fritter. Facebook or Twitter? Facebook, but I'm probably a LinkedIn man to be fair. Why did you want to become an engineer? Because I was fascinated about how things worked. What's the best advice you've ever received? It's okay to choose again. Why are engineers awesome? Engineers are awesome because we like solving the world's hardest problems. Why is it important to make engineering in New Zealand more diverse and inclusive? Well, because we're missing out on a huge amount of talent. The more people we can get with more different backgrounds involved in engineering and different experiences means we'll get better solutions and better ideas. How will you bring engineering to life this year with Engineering New Zealand? By getting out and talking to as many of you as possible and talking to key stakeholders about what are the things you want to see Engineering New Zealand deliver. What is the coolest thing about working at Engineering New Zealand? I've been very passionate about engineering since before I knew there was such a thing as engineering. I've always wanted to know how and why things worked. So to be able to working in an area of my passion is very, very cool.